Today's video is one that has been looming for a while, and I've been putting, how long have I been putting this off, Mum?
Forever.
Yeah, I've been putting it off for a really long time. Basically, I've never been camping in my life. Every time that camping has crept up my way, I have avoided it. I remember we used to have this youth camp, and instead of camping for 3 years, all my friends would do the camp, and I would volunteer to help with the kids, because I then didn't have to camp. During isolation, I will take anything to spice up my daily life. So I'm gonna camp in my back garden today. I have really been putting this off because I just really like being comfy and warm, and I feel like camping is exactly not that. But I'm gonna do it. Here is the tent. I didn't even know that it could be this small. I don't know how big it's gonna be. How fab is that? That's so small. I've got my camping food at the ready. I've got my cool bag. I'm really prepared. I didn't even know we had all this stuff at home. I didn't even have to buy anything. We just had it knocking around. Who knew? And I was actually about to go camping for the first time ever in my life in 1 week. Obviously it's been called off, and I was going to be going to this like festival thing. So I am getting Dad to help me to set it up, because I do feel like it could go potentially wrong, and I don't want to break it. Cause I don't know. I literally don't know.
Go up there.
I would just like to be near enough so I can get Wi-Fi. These millennials.
Oh, I don't think you'll get Wi-Fi out here.
Devastating news. This camping life ain't for me, Dad. Dad, to be honest, I have no idea when it comes to the ground. So you do,
well,
you
choose
really the location.
Where you want to go.
I prefer right there. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. This is the thing. Anytime Dad and I try and do something together, you just end up doing it. Yeah. Not because I'm lazy, but because I get in the way. I think he just wants to get it done, and I'm just there like, what knot am I supposed to tie?
Grab a pole, or just pin together. Step on it to break. It breaks.
I just don't get why anyone would want to camp.
It's fun.
How is it fun?
It's outdoor fun.
That's insane.
No. What are you doing that for?
I'm not made for this country life. So what's this then? What's happening?
It's the tent to protect you in the night.
So what is that? They're not instructions. I'll update you when we've come on a bit.
One pole, 2 poles are. No, not pull that. Pull the cloth. Don't pull the thing apart.
The tent is roughly up. There's something going on that Dad's trying to sort out. Hello, let's have a look. Oh, hi. It's like a little house. Got Jesse's bed chair thing out. I don't really know how. I'm clueless, okay? Anyway, this is making all the campers cringe. I'm sorry. I'm just here being honest. I'm just here to do me, the GC. Like I'm getting the keys to my first home.
And this is your little area you sleep in. You need to keep this closed because
Flies.
Flies in there all night otherwise.
Guys, welcome to my new home. She's beautiful. Oh, she likes it. Banks, we're gonna do some marshmallow toasting.
No, you won't.
Not in here, obviously not. Oh.
You got another window there.
Oh, a lovely view. So
Yeah.
I've lived by the sea. I
If
could
you don't
get
want it,
like a
you
little
do that,
curtain.
and it flips back.
How fantastic is that, Banks? Got the bed working. It's actually quite nice, you know. Do I look
Like a fisherman.
like a fisherman?
Yeah.
I'm just at one with nature. You could say every time I go to say naturist, but that's not the right word.
No. At one with nature will do.
I'd just be at one with nature, guys, to be honest with you. See you in the morning.
Soaking in the rays. See that smile you've got? I hope you still have that in the morning.
I was going to say, at 3 AM it's not going to be like this, is it? Thank you. Right, I'm going to put it in. And I'm going to bring out my divot, because I'm not going to lie, for me, one of the worst possible things is sleeping bags. Cannot stand them. I know technically this is cheating because I would use an air mattress. I mean, if Jessie has the supplies, why wouldn't I, you know? Obviously, our good friend Romps. Yay! Bed! It looks quite cute. So I have just gotten all my supplies ready. I'm just about to download some Friends because I don't think there's Wi-Fi out there. And as long as I've got Friends, Keeping Up with the Kardashians is coming to Netflix. As long as I've got Friends, I'm okay. And Mum's just said, you should do it without technology one night. To be honest, that is a good suggestion. But we'll see how this goes first. We're gonna ease ourselves in, all right? Okay, so we have all of our supplies and some blankets and things. And we're gonna start making dinner, which is, drum roll. Sorry, I couldn't find a drum roll noise, but actually I'm quite impressed with mine. All the different pictures. A pot noodle. Sounds wet. I might need to bring in a chair. Okay, I'm back with said chair. Shall we do beef and tomato or Bombay Bad Boy? Let's do Bombay Bad Boy. Okay, let's do it. Right, and now we need. So here we have our stove. What kind of a name is stove anyway? It's funny because I feel like a nature queen, even though I'm literally using a pre-bought stove. And oh wow. That is fantastic. And then we're just going to pour some water in. That is incredible. Look at that. That is the future. Oh my gosh, that's pretty hot already, I'm not going to lie. That deserves, has it got maybe a Nobel Prize? Or one of those prizes? That is so, isn't that clever? I want to go camping now, to be honest with you. Okay, so we actually have some real life bubbles in here. I forget that this is really actually a flame because it's really, look at that. It just doesn't even look like anything's there. Can you see that steam seeping off of that? This is novel, guys. Seriously, I'm having the best time. I mean, I am only 10 minutes in and it is just going to go downhill from here. No, stay positive. I could actually do a poached egg in that. Actually, you know what? This might convert me to camping. It's so simple, so peaceful. Just one with my own thoughts, really, aren't I? Hear that? That's a bird. Because we're in the nature. Because we're appreciating the outdoors. So I have actually had to put on my coat because it's getting a bit chilly. What a life I'm living right now. I'm very content. Let's try it. Bombay Bad Boy. Here we go. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, wow. Oh. I'm actually very happy. Finished my noodles and I'm not gonna lie, my mouth is on fire. Not really good, but really spicy. My mouth is on fire and I don't really know what to do with this fork. Do I clean it? I only have one, so I have just licked it clean. And I'm trying to work out when's a good time to have pudding. I have spilt noodles all down myself, but it's fine, we get over it. I'm gonna make some hot chocolate from my bag of goodies. I hope it's gonna stay cold. I don't know if it will. I did the ice packs and everything. So I've got some oat milk, some squirty cream, a mug, some marshmallows. Just a lot of elements. Like, it just seems like such a faff. Many things you need. It is incredible how hot it gets so quickly. Fantastic. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, we're at the hot chocolate station and this is my pot noodle fork. I think it's gonna taste a little bit like pot noodle, but a little marshmallow. And then this is where we get real good, guys. It's very hot, but it's good. That is so good. I've just tried to convince my family to come and toast marshmallows, but funnily enough none of them are vibing that. Now I know this isn't actually probably how you should toast a marshmallow, but we're going to do it this way. Honestly, I've said it once and I've said it again, it is fake news that Oreos break easily. They don't break. Okay, so good though. There is something happened to Oreos and they just snap in half. And also I'm even going to twist it. Broken. You see that? Broken. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Oh my gosh, it's a real life outdoor s'more. Wow. To be honest with you, I'm living my best life. No, that's my cream. It's mine. To be fair, he did help me set up the tent. Look at all those layers. Look at them all just sat there having their tea. My first guest at Casa Gretel. Have you ever been in a tent?
Of course I have.
I've not. This is my
camped before.
Actually, this is my first ever time in a tent.
It's way nicer than the tent I've ever been in. Jeepers. Oh, you're going to love it in here tonight. Have you put your mattress in here?
No, it's Jessie's bed chair. It's quite a nice setup, isn't it?
You're really excited, aren't you?
I'm just a bit concerned that I'm so excited now, and then I'm gonna get not excited.
That's alright.
Hi, so I've just been chilling in the tent, and it is currently time check 8:41. Prepare my hygiene, so I'm gonna brush my teeth and do my face. Now, normally I use Cetaphil and I wash it off with water, but it actually says you can wipe off with cotton or a flannel. So I'm gonna do that today. Cold on my skin, guys, it's really cold. This feels like it's not doing anything. Obviously, you've got to dip your toothbrush in the water before and after. It's not actually that cold, is it?
What you got on?
What?
Oh look, they've got a side light on.
So I'm actually going to fill up my hot water bottle with some water from the tap. Hi guys, that's it, we're here. And you know what? Jessie's given me so many things. And look, watch this fantastic bit of kit. You turn it and then you've got a little tiny light. Right, guess we'll just wait for that now, shall we? Honestly, I'm going to start using this gas thing for more because it heats things up so much quicker than our hob at home. A bit concerned because there's a helicopter scooting round and Chloe was in the lounge and she was flashing her torchlight and I was flashing my headlight. So I'm a bit concerned they're going to try and come and rescue me. That would be a real turn for the books. Can you hear the helicopter if it just landed up there? I'm so proud of myself. I'm actually made for camping, guys. This is I, Uhtred of Bettenburg. I'm gonna get changed into my pyjamas if you're ready for a style transformation. A 3, a 2, a 3, 2, 1. Now I know what you're asking. Where is your fine apparel from, Grace? These PJs are from Johnny B Kids. There I was, just settling down, and then I hear this noise coming from outside, and I am hoping, really hoping, that it's Banksy. You cheeky pickle. Do you want to come in? You can come in, come on. Banksy, ow. Hello. No, come for me, Banksy. No, stop it. Stop it, stop it. It's me. It's me, Mario. Right, I'm shutting this up, to be honest. Done with you. No, Banks, please stop, please. I'm still here playing with Banks. But it is dark and I am out here now. I'm feeling a little bit scared. I've had to put Banksy inside because she was just going nuts. There was no taming her. So it's 10 o'clock and I'm just talking to the family and no one thinks I'm going to make it through the night because there are some suspicious noises. Dad said be quiet when you come in at 3 AM. Jessie says he'll be proud if I actually make it through the night. Do this, guys, let's prove them wrong. Good night, I will see you if I wake up in the night. It is currently, what's the time? You see that? 10:25, see that? It's 2:49 and these foxes keep screeching. I thought it was going to be like 6 o'clock in the morning, but it's only 2:50. Good morning. So I woke up at 5:40 and I just kind of been on my phone and stuff, and now it's 6:30. Look at this. I made it through the night. Yes, boys and girls, I did it. And I am quite chilly now. The hot water bottle was key to my success. I don't think if I had a hot water bottle I would have been able to do it. The birds have been hooting and a-rooting out here. To be honest, I've never looked better. I think it's time to venture out. Romper has clearly had a rough night. You right, hon? Are you okay, babes? I'm just out zipping. And it's so weird to see the outdoor world. Oh my gosh, it's my princess. She's come to say... Have you come to say hello? Okay, so we're going to make ourselves some breakfast now. I won't lie, I don't really know how this is going to go. I've got some bread that I'll have to toast on the flame. So this fork has still got like hot chocolate on. I can't believe that I'm cooking outside. It's absolutely mental. Right, I think our beans are warm. Oh my gosh, it worked. I mean, it's just a bit burnt. I'm really out here toasting my toast. Get the beans on here because I don't have a plate or anything. Hot. You know what, I do feel like Jamie Oliver. He did a series where he cooked outside, at one with nature out here. Just sat here, having my precariously placed beans. Got my second piece of toast, but I spilt some beans down me. I mean, it was inevitable, wasn't it? Breakfast is done. And I think I'm finally gonna venture in. She made it.
She made it.
I've made it.
You made it.
Oh, I had a voice crack. I made it.
How was it?
It was okay.
Once you got to sleep?
I woke up at 3 and then I woke up at 5:40 and just stayed awake. There was definitely some tins clattering next to my head at one point.
You're going to have breakfast now, or have you done?
I've had beans on toast. I love
How did you do the toast?
I put the bread on the flame.
Oh yeah, good.
See, I'm made for Dad. I am made for camping.
You're made for camping.
With my bed,
Duvet,
chair,
bed.
duvet, laptop, you know.
Yeah, you're not really roughing it in the back garden. The next stage is to go out in the wood and do it there.
You must be ludicrous.
No.
You can't do that. Good.
Well done.
Thank you. Man, I am so grateful to be clean. It's really funny because the weather has had a turn. I don't know if you see that. I'm so glad I camped last night. I feel like tonight would be a lot chillier. And now I have to clean everything out. So this is the part that I hate the most. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. I can't say I'm going to be rushing to camp again, but it was a fun experience. Alright, I've done it. I've learnt a lot from it. And now I've been in a tent and I've slept overnight in one. Love you all loads. Peace out.